and no one will be carrying the load of anybody else. وَإِن تَدْعُ مُثْقَلَةٌ Muthqala here is an attribute, a sifa of nafs. إِن تَدْعُ نَفْسٌ مُثْقَلَةٌ. It's like that. If someone loaded with a lot of burdens on Judgment Day, now I want you to appreciate the depth of these words. No one will carry the burden of another. Right now, your parents just came from the airport, you picked them up, your dad is holding 2 suitcases, what do? Oh, let me get that for you. And you put it in the trunk. You see your mom holding something, Mom, give me that. You want to carry their burden. You know? Your child is trying to carry the groceries from the car, the milk carton. Okay, let me help you. You pick it up for them. Judgment Day comes, and there's a family member. And they're buried with the load of their deeds. Muthqala, someone buried in the load. And وَإِن تَدْعُ مُثْقَلَ إِلَى حِمْلِهَا If that one buried in the deeds, under that load, calls to someone to help. Can you help me please? Could you help me carry this a little? And the family member is standing right next to him. The son, the father, the cousin, the brother. They're walking right by. لا يحمل منه شيء. لا يحمل منه شيء. None of it will be carried by anybody else. That's the policy on that day. وَلَوْ كَانَ ذَا قُرْبًا No matter how close a relative he was. Can you imagine that scene? SubhanAllah. That's a scary picture. وَلَوْ كَانَ No matter how close he was, he will not be able to carry that burden. إِنَّمَا تُنذِرُ الَّذِينَ يَخْشَوْنَ رَبَّهُم No doubt, you can only warn those who are truly fearful of their master, بِالْغَيْبِ In the unseen, the master in the unseen, and those who are really afraid when nobody else can see them. وَأَقَامُوا الصَّلَاةَ And they established prayer. وَمَنْ تَزَكَّى And whoever made an effort to cleanse himself, purify himself, فَإِنَّمَا يَتَزَكَّى لِنَفْسِهِ Then he only makes those kinds of efforts to clean himself up and purify himself for his own good. وَإِلَى اللَّهِ الْمَصِيرِ And to Allah alone is the final return.